Hey guys, it's Sydney here, and in this video is my OLSP system result update. As you can see here, I have made over $216.35 and all start with a $7. Yes, you can start this business for just $7. And you know what? You also can get access to my list of free traffic strategies for free. With these strategies, I have grown my Facebook to over 3,000 friends for the last 2 months. As you can see here, 3,000 friends. And also, I will show you how you can post on Facebook and Instagram to get more traffic. It's not only Facebook, it's also about Instagram and TikTok as well. So as you can see here, I made a simple post like this and people will comment, and after that we will send them the information. I will add you to my group in which you will have the done for you post that you can feel free to use. You can also get access to my viral video templates for free as well. With the OLSP system, you can get access to many trainings in here. You also get access to the Comment Dominator Pro, in which you can make money by just commenting on Facebook. So there are a lot in this OLSP system. If you want to work with me on this system, simply go to my website at workwithsydney.com and then you go through everything. You can fill in your email over here. Click on Get Access Now and you go to the Mega Link sale page. You can watch this video and just pay for the Mega Link. After that, you can go through my guide here. I put everything in here, and you also get access to all of my bonus, and you can offer my bonus for your people as well. Anyone you refer to the OLSP system will be added to this group. And also, if you are busy, you don't have time, you can let them talk to me and I will talk with them for you. If you have any questions, you can ask me, or if they have any question, they can ask me as well. So this is an amazing system to work on. I also share with you my funnel as well. If you want to work on this, simply pay for the $7 and then DM me on my Facebook. If you have any questions, just reach me out, okay? I'm here to help. And this is Sydney from hithanhdotcom, and bye-bye.